A customer's got a problem, can't control their second light/relay. Even after a swap, still no luck. It's not the product, it's how it's used. 15 seconds for the perfect fix. Press the learning button on the receiver 8 times to reset it. Your remote control isn't working anymore. Let's repair it. When pairing, after the light turns off, press the first remote button. After the indicator light blinks off, then press the second remote button. That's when the pairing is complete. This method isn't just for our KR2202, it also applies to our other 2-channel receiver, the KR2402. Anytime we encounter remote-related issues, we always start with a reset. Press the learning button on the receiver 8 times. This will restore it to its factory settings. Your remote is now unpaired. Next up, how many times we press depends on the mode we want to use. For example, pressing once sets it to momentary mode, pressing twice is for toggle mode, and pressing 3 times is for latching mode. For more details on these modes, check out the comments section below. I'll also put the link to the detailed manual right down there. For this tutorial, let's use momentary mode as an example. Press the learning button on the receiver once. Wait for the indicator light to blink and then turn off. Only then do we press the first remote button. This button will pair with the first relay. But we're not done yet. We need to wait again for the indicator light to blink and turn off. Only then can we press the second remote button. This one will pair with the second relay. Once both buttons are paired, that's when the complete pairing is finished. And that's the most complete pairing process. Did you get it? If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll even make videos based on your questions. Please show your support.